Hello there. In this video we are going to create a calendar and go through the basic settings available in the calendar editor page. In the left-hand side menu, click on WP Booking System, Calendars, Add New Calendar. You will be asked to give your calendar a name, set a default price and whether to copy the legend item from an existing calendar or use the default one. We're going to name our calendar Holiday Home and set the price per night to $100. The default price option only appears if you have enabled payments from the settings page. After clicking the Add Calendar button, you will be taken to the calendar editor page of your newly created calendar. Here you will see the bookings meta box at the top where all your bookings for this calendar will appear. Below you'll find a small calendar widget used for changing months and the date editor on the side. In the date editor you can change the availability for each day, set a custom price or a custom inventory number. Write a description which is visible only to website administrators or add a tooltip which may appear on the front end of your website when hovering over a date. The inventory column is available only if the inventory add-on is installed. If you wish to change multiple dates at once, you can easily do so by using the bulk editor. This is useful if you want to block certain periods, set seasonal prices, set different prices for weekends, and so on. Select the start and end date, select which fields you want to modify, and click Bulk Edit. Lower on the page you will see other options like changing the default price and the default inventory, linking a calendar to a page, adding notes, and assigning users to the calendar. The calendar link is used in the overview widget and in the search results to link the calendar to the page where the calendar with the booking form should be embedded. Then, you can edit the calendar's legend items and sync the calendar with an external calendar like Airbnb, Booking.com, Google Calendar or any platform that supports iCalendar feeds. Let's start with editing the legend items. Here you have all the calendar's legend items with options like setting the default legend item, choosing which ones are visible on the front end or which ones are bookable. You can add new legend items or edit existing ones. You can change the name, type of the legend, whether it's a single or a split legend item, the color, the text color, and add translations. Now let's go back to the calendar and check out the iCalendar options. Each calendar has a unique iCalendar link which you can use to export your bookings to another platform. By default, only the booked and starting changeover legend items are exported. You can add this link to any calendar or any online travel agency website so any bookings you will receive on your site will block the dates on the other calendar. When it comes to importing, you have the option to do a one-time import from a file, or to sync with a calendar by importing an URL which will automatically update the calendar on a fixed schedule. To import a feed, get your iCalendar link from the source website, give it a name, select which legend item to use to mark the book dates and whether or not to use split days. By default the booked legend item should be used and the appropriate changeover legend items. Click on Add iCal URL and the feed should appear at the top of the meta box. You can add as many feeds as you want. Now if we go back to the calendar, we can see the imported events. That's pretty much it. More details and information about the calendars can be found on our website in the documentation section. Thanks for watching.